Hi, Donirect here. I am going to show you guys all of my PC parts because I know people in stream are probably going to ask, so I just decided to make a video before I put everything together. This motherboard, it's a Z390 Asus. I really like Asus. I have two 24-inch Asus monitors as well, and that's pretty cool. So I got that. I got a i7 9700K CPU. I've only built one PC, which was in 2017, and I had Intel and my PC ran great. I know some people like AMD and Ryzen or whatever. I don't know too much about it, so I stick with Intel because it worked one of one for me before. For memory, we have RGB. This is two 8 gig sticks of Corsair. I really love Corsair. My case is Corsair. This is the Vengeance Pro. It is 3200 speed. This is the same cooler that I had before in my other one, but this is like the blacked out edition. The other one had like silver along the side. A 500 gig SSD and then a 1 terabyte hard drive. My last PC, I had 250 gigs, so now I have 500. That's pretty cool. Modular power supply. The one I had before was semi-modular, so this is the EVGA, which is the same as my graphics card. It's 650, 80 plus gold. I don't think I had that before. We got the EVGA RTX 2070 Super. That's pretty cool. So yeah. Oh, and then the case. I think it's the 220T, I believe, Corsair case. It's super nice. It's super chill. It's a little compact, but inside, if you guys can see, it has 3 fans, which are also RGB. And yeah, that is it. That is all of my PC stuff. And then of course we have Windows 10. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Hopefully I'll have a build video soon. If not, I'll see you guys in the stream. Take care. Thank you.